Are you a man over 30 struggling with low energy, decreased libido, and loss of muscle mass? You might be facing low testosterone, a common issue that can drastically impact your quality of life. Testosterone is the key male hormone responsible for maintaining muscle mass, bone density, sex drive, sperm production, and much more. However, after age 30, a man's testosterone levels naturally begin to decline by about 1% per year. The good news? You can boost your body's natural testosterone production through simple diet and lifestyle changes, starting with this potent, homemade testosterone-boosting elixir. Keep watching to learn the recipe and start reaping the benefits of higher T. Low testosterone, or low T, is incredibly common in men over 30. In fact, it's estimated that 40% of men over age 45 have clinically low testosterone levels. The symptoms can be subtle at first but gradually worsen over time: decreased libido and erectile dysfunction, low energy and fatigue, loss of muscle mass and increased body fat, depressed mood and brain fog, thinning hair and skin. Sound familiar? If you're nodding your head, know that you're not alone, and there are natural solutions to help turn back the clock on your testosterone levels. Recipe for testosterone boosting elixir. Let's dive into our homemade testosterone tonic. Pumpkin seeds, just a quarter cup, contains 74% of your daily value of zinc, an essential mineral for testosterone production. Pumpkin seeds are also rich in magnesium, another crucial mineral for healthy testosterone levels. Toss a quarter cup of raw pumpkin seeds into a food processor or blender. Brazil nuts, add in 4 to 5 Brazil nuts. They are one of the best dietary sources of selenium, a trace mineral with powerful antioxidant properties. Selenium helps protect the testes and sperm from oxidative stress and damage. Brazil nuts also contain the amino acid arginine, which improves blood flow and erectile function. Pulse the Brazil nuts and pumpkin seeds together until a fine, crumbly texture is achieved. Nutmeg and cinnamon, transfer the pumpkin seed and Brazil nut mixture to a bowl. Add 1/4 teaspoon each of ground nutmeg and cinnamon. Nutmeg has long been used as an aphrodisiac, and cinnamon improves circulation, essential for strong erections and sexual function. Fenugreek, add a tablespoon of fenugreek powder. This herb has been used for centuries to enhance male virility and vitality. Modern research confirms its testosterone-boosting powers, with studies showing significant increases in testosterone levels and improvements in sexual function. Maca root, add a teaspoon of gelatinized maca powder. This Peruvian superfood enhances energy, mood, and sexual function by normalizing the body's stress response and balancing the endocrine system. Raw cacao powder, time to sweeten up our testosterone tonic with a tablespoon of raw cacao powder. Cacao is one of the richest dietary sources of magnesium and is loaded with flavonols that improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. Mix all the ingredients together until well combined. Congratulations, you've now made a powerful, homemade testosterone-boosting tonic. Quick recap of ingredients: a quarter cup pumpkin seeds, 4 to 5 Brazil nuts, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 tablespoon fenugreek powder, 1 teaspoon gelatinized maca powder, 1 tablespoon raw cacao powder. How to use: simply add 1 to 2 tablespoons of the mixture to yogurt, smoothies, oatmeal, or any other food of your choice. You can stir it into some plain Greek yogurt for a protein and testosterone-boosting snack. The ingredients will keep in an airtight container in the fridge for about a month. Aim to consume the mixture daily for the best results. You can double or triple the recipe as needed. Additional tips: in addition to adding this testosterone-boosting elixir to your daily routine, here are some other diet and lifestyle tips to maximize your body's natural testosterone production. Prioritize sleep, aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Sleep deprivation can drastically lower testosterone levels. Exercise regularly, lift weights and do high-intensity interval training to boost testosterone and build lean muscle. Avoid chronic cardio, which can lower T levels. Minimize stress. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, which can lower testosterone. Practice stress-reducing techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga. Eat healthy fats, monounsaturated and saturated fats from foods like olive oil, avocados, eggs, and grass-fed meat are building blocks for testosterone. Avoid trans fats and limit polyunsaturated fats. Get enough vitamin D. Vitamin D is a steroid hormone involved in testosterone production. Get 20 to 30 minutes of direct sunlight daily or supplement with 2000 to 5000 IU of vitamin D3 per day. Limit alcohol. Excessive alcohol intake can lower testosterone levels and impair sexual function. Stick to 1 to 2 drinks per day maximum. Final thoughts. There you have it, a simple, homemade recipe to help boost your body's natural testosterone production, along with diet and lifestyle tips to maximize your T levels. Remember, low testosterone is incredibly common in men over 30, but it doesn't have to be a life sentence. With the right nutrition, lifestyle habits, and natural testosterone boosters like this potent elixir, you can reclaim your manhood and enjoy more energy, muscle, and virility well into your 40s, 50s, and beyond. Give this testosterone tonic a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who could benefit. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health.